Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great week. Just a quick update from me. We're in a period of ever-changing Welsh weather, so please be sure to keep your eyes peeled on our social media channels for weather updates. We also have a hub of weather-related guidance and advice on our website, so please visit merthyr.gov.uk for more information. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you to our council employees who work tirelessly to keep our county borough running smoothly. Please remember to treat them with kindness and respect. This can make a huge difference to their day and helps them keep doing their fantastic work for our community. And speaking of love and appreciation, I wanted to give a little shout out to Santes Dwynwen, which is coming up on Sunday the 25th of January. Saint Dwynwen was a 4th century Welsh princess who lived in what is now the Banau Brycheiniog, Brecon Beacons National Park, and is known as the Welsh patron saint of lovers. People all over Wales celebrate this day, so it's a great reminder to cherish the special people in our lives. That's all for this update. Stay well, look after yourselves, and let's continue to look out for each other here in Merthyr Tudful. Have a great weekend. Diolch.